such a nice structure of this class, right from the yogic breathing of 5 minutes, then the visualization, the goal setting for the meditation and other issues of the life, planning the objectives of life, and then the mantras, connecting to the God, taking the blessings and the grace of the God. And then we have some asanas to release the stiffness of the body. Then we have some pranayams. And now we have bandhas and the mudras also after the pranayams. And then yoga nidra, then meditation, and the mantras. So it's a very comprehensive package which has over the months, it has got developed. And it has a very, very deep impact on your body as a whole, your physical body, your energy body, your mental, emotional, psychic, spiritual body. Now the state that you are in after 1 hour, 15 minutes practice is totally different state. And every day you have this state, and all 30 days, all 365 days a year, it becomes quite dense, quite powerful. And it stays with you. It stays with us during other activities of life as well. We are more calm, we are more relaxed, we are more mindful of the work that we do, and we become more proficient in the assignment that we do in our life. So this is the power of the practice that we have. That's the reason that I ask you that regularity is the key. If you're just doing once a month or once a week, the same impact will not be there. It is not possible. It will not happen. So then it's futile. It's useless. There's no need to practice in that case. If you are able to dedicate time on a regular basis, on day-to-day basis, 1 hour to the body and the mind and the soul, then it is okay. Then it is fine. You will have the growth. You will have progressively changes you can notice and experience. But if you are doing once a week or twice a week, which is the culture these days, nothing happens basically. No change takes place. One day you gain something and the next day you don't do it. You miss it. That the day by day that you build up the practices and its benefit, you loses it with the irregularity, with inconsistency. So the idea is to be regular, be more disciplined, more focused. Some reason you miss the class, you must do it on your own. There is asana or the pranayam or meditation. Out of 30 days, you should not miss even one single day. So if you've been missing your own practice or the class, that means you have to start from today again and take a resolve that from today onwards, I will not miss any class or my own practice. And then you count the day, the 30 days and a year. Till now, it is all irregular practices, and till now the benefit is not 100%. So start from today and do not miss any day. If someday you don't get time in the morning, do it in the afternoon, do it in the evening, do it before sleep. No break at all, no gap at all in your practices. That is basically sadhana. That is basically your spiritual practice for your growth. Physical health and the mental health is very surface level thing. When you are regular, all these things you achieve, automatically we get the physical health. If you assess your health now, it will be much better than 2 years before. Like this one person, she's part of our class, and every day she would message me, today I have a cold, today I have a fever, today I have a this. And since she has started, this is the case. Unless she becomes regular for 2, 3, 4 months, 6 months, that health condition will not improve. It will not improve. Somehow one has to have that mental strength, Initial 4, 5, 6 months is very, very important. Very important. We uh, work on the physical body, we work on all the different organs, different systems, we work on the pranic body, we work on the mental emotional body, and then we achieve the health. Health comes with the almost 6 months to a year of hard work, where you are not missing any practice, not missing any class. Then you achieve a health where now you would not fall sick after 1, 2 years of hard work and the regular practices. All the physical problems, physiological problems gets managed. But that happens with regularity. The first key important aspect is the regularity. That's why it is called Atha Yoga Anushasanam. Yoga is discipline in life, nothing else. Yoga, the definition, the first sutra says that yoga is discipline. Yoga is anushasan, the subtle governance on your life, on your body, on your mind, on your activity, on your behavior, what you eat, what you talk, when you go to sleep, when you wake up. And I always say sleeping is very important. If you go to the bed 12 o'clock, you can't wake up early, and entire system gets disturbed. Your whole mechanism gets disturbed, your body will not function properly. So it's always advisable go early, 8 o'clock, 8:30, 9 o'clock, 9:30 maximum. Switch off the mobile phone, go to the sleep, wake up early, and start your day. All these are the key aspects of your life. The moment you do the meditation, it changes the state of the breath. And if you are regular with the practice, most of the time you would find that your breath is flowing in balance. It's all about awareness. Abito, we are not even aware that which one is flowing. Most of the people, they don't know even that what is left, what is right, what is both, you know. So this breath is the tool to quieten the mind, to get the control over the mind. That's all. Hari Om Tat Sat. Have a wonderful day.